Hello, beautiful people.
Hey guys, it's me Gigi. So in today's video, I'm going to do my makeup a little different. In case you're curious, how did we end up like this? Then keep on watching. I'm gonna go blind myself. I like to do like very close to my lash line. Also, if I'm zooming and looking very angry, it's because I'm blind and I don't see shit. When I'm doing this, that's when I'm zooming. So, once the actual face is up, let me see. So, between choosing blue and purple, it's going to be blue. It was a very close game. We are going in with some blue. Most of my favorite brushes are drying, so I need to use not so my favorite ones. Yeah, let's see how it's going to turn out. Also, by the way, I'm using the Jawbreaker and let me get it. Best baby hair called Soak. Let's just bring this baby out. Who doesn't like a wing liner? The next question I was asking to blend it out with some kind of mint color or orange. And 71% said mint. Jawbreaker palette, I'm just gonna use cute because it's a cute, it's a very cute mint color. I'm gonna go with the same brush I used, the darker color Soaked. And I'm just gonna tap it into Brain Freeze against, we are only using the Jawbreaker. Brain Freeze, and I'm just gonna put it inside inner corner and blend this. The next question I was asking if you guys wanna see a cut crease or not. And 83% said yes. So we are going for a cut crease definitely. For that, first I like to baby, say hi. You wanna say hi? You wanna say hi? Wanna say hi? Here, say hi. I didn't ask what kind of color shall I do my crease. I'm gonna go into the same color in the Jawbreaker palette called. And we are going into Suck. So when I ask eyeliner color for a black stone, we are going to do something for black one. If I find my black liner. I don't know if actually should I do something before the liner here or after? Don't do it now. Do some glitters, but to do that I'm gonna use this glitter primer from NYX. back to the eyeliner. I don't know if shall I do like a small one or like a big fat. It's a storm. Lashes. I also asked if you guys want to see like a different kind of lashes, because nowadays I'm completely into coloring my eyelashes. My 75% said, nah, we want black. I'm gonna go with a sexy black one. And I'll be right back. I kind of want to do something like here at the edge of my cut crease. I might go in with a bright meat one. Now that I'm happy and satisfied, now I'm gonna pop up that light, I swear. I have the lashes on. Now I'm just gonna need to finish under these beautiful bags. To make these fucking bags look a bit.
Are doing even makeup and at the same time talking, because I'm concentrating so bad. Even my breathing stops. Anyways, I'm gonna go very quickly do my other eye, off camera, my face and my brows, and I will be back very soon.
And this is the finished look. In case you guys enjoyed it, make sure you give a big thumbs up for this video, subscribe to my channel if you want to see similar videos such like this, and if you want to see it all my face. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Thanks, bye bye.